Hello everyone, if you're getting this error in Rockstar Games Launcher, an error occurred while authenticating with Rockstar Game Services, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Rockstar Games Service easily. So first off, you're going to close the Rockstar Games Launcher if you have it opened. So just close it from here. After that, you're going to open up your Explorer and then you're going to go to your C drive, users, you're going to select your username here. You're going to go into documents and then you'll see this folder Rockstar Games. You're just going to go ahead and delete this folder, but be aware that deleting this folder will also delete your saved files from your computer. So if you have cloud saves turned on, there's no problem in deleting this folder. So just delete this folder. After that, go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now you can open up the Rockstar Games Launcher. And now when you try to play your games, you'll see that your games will work correctly and you will not get that error occurred while authenticating with Rockstar Game Services. So this case, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.